friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I'm fine, hope you are also fine. So today what we will do, we will install OpenShot video editor in our laptop. So first I will give some information about that. So OpenShot editor is a open source video editor which is used by YouTubers who want to be their videos like a professional. So for editing they use OpenShot video editor, and it's fully free, and it supports Mac OS, Lineage OS, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows. So first of all, what we will do, we'll type in OpenShot download, and in this we will click on download OpenShot video editor, and here we will click on download v2.5.1, and as always I have already downloaded it for saving your time and reducing the duration of the video. Dun, dun, dun. This is our OpenShot video editor, and the best thing is that it doesn't take much time for installation in our PC, and it's fully free and it gets downloaded very quickly. So I will show you So hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel, and today what we will do, this is edited by OpenShot, and can see this also. So thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you have liked it. So bye bye. Oh sorry. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel, and comment if you have any doubts. Bye bye.